I want to address this thing again on a video so I can post it for some of you to always.
If you be a fan and lover of Sonia Uche, you need to watch this video to the end. No skip am, because this video na very important information we should get for our fans. You need to watch this video. But before you watch this video, if you never subscribe yet to this channel, wetin dey wait for? And to all those who don't subscribe, I thank all of you now wey don't subscribe already to this channel. So Sonia Uche don't come out again to cry out for this. I think this one at the 5th time we should not come out to talk about this issue, because this issue is a very serious one. Maybe say all our fans need to know about. So making her just keep on watching to know what she really cry at about, because so many people they don't scam them because of this issue. So many things don't happen. A lot of people now don't they call Sonia Uche scammer, and which is very bad to her image and to her career. So making her watch this video, making her not forget to comment in her opinion down below, like, share and subscribe to my channel after you don't watch finish.
Hello, good morning everyone. Okay, so I want to address this thing again on a video so I can post it for some of you to always see when you come to my page, my business page especially. So there's this particular YouTube channel that has gone from Sonia Uche TV to Sonia Uche Airplays to Sonia Uche Display that does not belong to me. And right now it's called Universal Sonia Uche. And when I checked this morning, today being the 14th of February 2023, I checked this morning and I noticed it's now something Sonia Uche Entertainment. I'm not so sure. So this is what I want to say. If you're watching this video, I want you to know that we are not on Telegram. I am not on Telegram. If you're making any purchase of Sonia hair extension hair on Telegram, you're doing that at your own detriment, because that's not me. I've said it before and I'm saying it again.